Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to center on a pottery wheel. Start with a wedged, slightly damp 2 lb lump of clay placed firmly in the middle of the wheel head and trim excess water. Brace your forearms on your legs, move the wheel to a comfortable speed, and use concentric pressure with both hands to collapse the clay into a centered cone. Breathe, stay steady, and repeat until perfectly centered. In this video, I will show how to center on a pottery wheel. Avoid excess water that turns your clay into a floppy mess and slows progress. Keep both hands working as a single unit and pause to reset if the clay walks. Start at a moderate wheel speed and practice steady pressure patterns so the clay collapses straight down, not off to one side. In this video, I will show how to center on a pottery wheel. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great on the way to class. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to center on a pottery wheel. Begin with a low inward cone to gather mass, then compress the base firmly to lock the clay. Lightly pulse the wheel with steady thumbs to detect unevenness, and correct by shifting body weight, not just hand strength. Practice short, focused sessions to build muscle memory so centering becomes natural and quick when you prepare for throwing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.